and black women. He got started.
Oh, this is nice. It's nice to go to church with your grandma and hear, well, let's sit here, Mimi, let's sit here. And they're like, oh, church is starting in Harlem. And then the priest is yelling, oh, Obama's a pimp. Let's talk about big breasts. Let's talk about this. Let's talk about that. And like,
She must be a 54.
yeah, 54 double D, 54 boobs. And like, they don't talk about those kinds of things. And ask the Lord there, do you think Jesus would be concerned if Obama was a pimp? Which he doesn't. He has no association with Obama girl at all. They may have met briefly or something. I don't really remember. But good job, Obama girl. Like, you know, at first I thought you're just another one of those pretty girls with not a lot of substance, just doing whatever anyone would pay you money to do, like show here, show up here, do a bum. But you actually did a pretty good job. You got the Pastor Manning on your talk show, and you called his bluff because he was making fun of your boobs, and he was questioning your credibility because you're a woman, an attractive woman, and it made me realize that maybe attractive women, their opinions do matter sometimes. I guess so. Sometimes they can be attractive and formulate good, solid opinions about politics and actually do things for society, and it really opened up my paper eyes to a whole new spectrum of thinking and the way I could picture, you know, it doesn't have to be all cup sizes and stuff. You said you went to school for lingerie design, and I'm like, oh, that's an interesting field of work. I didn't know that one was available to me when I was a young sock, and I went to college. I took theater production. But the lingerie design, that would be so much more fun. I imagine the other students in my class would be, wow, that'd be really great fun. That'd be a good avenue for me to explore. And like, is socks lingerie? I'm not sure. Lingerie, Pastor Manning. Yeah, so good job, Obama girl. Good. You got them this time. You win, you won!